In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Elementor website. Whether you're looking to start fresh with a new design or you want to clear out an existing setup that no longer serves your needs, resetting your Elementor website can be a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step of this, providing clarity and context so you can handle it with confidence. First, you'll need to log into your My Elementor account, where all the management of your site begins. This is the hub that allows you to make significant changes, including resetting your website entirely. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials to access your account, as you wouldn't want any hiccups right at the start. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the My Elementor dashboard. Here, you will see three little dots that attractively and subtly conceal a menu of further options waiting to be explored. Click on these three dots to expose the drop-down menu, where you'll find the option to make substantial changes to your site. From this expanded menu, select the option that says Delete Website. It's important to know that choosing this option will completely remove your site in its entirety. This is a powerful action, so before proceeding, ensure this is genuinely what you intend to do. Take a pause here to consider if you've backed up any critical data or if there's anything on your existing site that you might need later. Deleting your website is irreversible, so double-check that the content, settings, and data you're about to lose are truly expendable. When you're confident and ready to proceed, go ahead and confirm your deletion request. By doing this, you're authorizing the platform to erase every element of your website setup. Once the confirmation is done, the reset process will initiate and you will see your site completely removed from the system. This is a quick yet very decisive step, and afterward, you should see your dashboard reflect these changes, showcasing no current websites under your management. This successful clearing sets you up for a fresh start without any old templates, themes, or data cluttering your creative vision moving forward. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully reset your Elementor website. Feel free to start anew, whether that means recreating your previous site with a fresh perspective, exploring new design paths, or simply leaving it blank until inspiration strikes again. With your site reset, the opportunities are endless for the next chapter of your Elementor journey. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.